Hi, mathematicians. We're going to start class a little differently today. We're going to start off with our number song. It's very important for mathematicians to know how to count. Knowing how to count correctly will help you as you grow in math. The only way we can get better at things is to practice. So let's use our energy now to practice counting. Here we go.
Come on, kids! Do you want to count to 100?
Yeah! Count, 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 count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Count, 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 count.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20. Count, count, count,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
30. Count, count, count,
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40. Count, count, count,
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
50. Count, count, count,
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
60. Count, count, count,
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69,
70. Count, count, count,
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79,
80. Count, 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 count.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89,
90. Count, count, count.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99,
100. Said I can count to 100. Say I can count to 100.
Have I told you lately how great you are? Let's do cheese grater together today. Here we go. You're great. Nice work, friends. I saw a lot of you counting today. All right, I hope we have some math detectives in the house because we have a mystery to solve. Listen closely as I read our mystery. It says Dominic had 10 cookies. He gave 5 cookies to Siraji and 4 cookies to Angelina. How many cookies did he have left? I'm going to read it again and I'm going to circle the important information. It says Dominic had 10 cookies. I'm going to circle that. He had 10. He gave 5 cookies to Siraji. So he gave 5 away. I'm going to circle 5. And 4 cookies to Angelina. So he gave 5 away and he gave 4 away. How many cookies did he have left? So I am trying to figure out how many he has left. Let's pause, put the answer in your head, and then we'll go into breakout rooms and check our answer with Fred. Way to go, my friends. I'm so glad Kenosha has math detectives on the case. The answer to the mystery was 1. If Dominic had 10, and he gave 5 away to Siraji, I'm going to cross those 5 out. 5. And then he gave 3 or 4 away to Angelina. I'm going to cross out 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. He only has 1 left. Nice job, math detectives. Let's move on with our lesson today. Go ahead and take a look at the grid on the screen. We're going to use this grid today and throughout the week to play a game. Today, you're just going to watch me as I help you figure out the answer to the game. But as you get your weekly folders, you're going to have the same thing in your weekly folder. Go ahead, look at the grid. What do you see on the grid? Let's pause and share some things that we see. Awesome. We may have noticed that the smallest number is 1, the greatest number is 50. I don't know if anybody saw it, but we have a column of numbers here. This number counts by tens. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good job. So I have a number in my pocket. That number is between the numbers of 1 and 50. It's somewhere in here. Your job is to ask me questions and gather clues in order to help you identify the number in my pocket. I'm going to have you take turns guessing. We're going to use our grid to help us guess. Who has a question? Let's pause. Excellent. Way to guess my number. Let's move on. Our learning target today is one that we read last Friday, but we did not have enough time to get into it last week. This learning target can help both of our kindergartners and our first graders in math. So we're going to do one learning target today. Our learning target says I can use cubes and equations to show teen numbers as a 10 and some more. We're going to be using cubes and we are going to write equations to show a teen number. Last week, one of you thought of a teen number. You thought of 17. Can anyone think of another teen number? Let me pause. Nice work. We thought of a couple other teen numbers. Today you're going to show teen numbers as a 10 and some more. Let's begin. This song is perfect for helping us learn how a teen number is 10 and some more. Look for the pattern and sing along as we play the song.
Locating numbers with a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10.
Sing along, friends. Here we go. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. Here we go.
11
Is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. Here we go.
12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5
4 extra ones. 5 extra ones.
16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come locating numbers with a
We're going to take a quick wiggle break. Let's get up and wiggle our bodies. Then we'll get back to work. Okay, friends, I want you to go ahead and do your math kit, and I want you to get out 2 of your linking cube trains. There should be groups of 10. I want you to get 2 of them, so 2 different colors. Notice I'm holding 10 yellows and 10 reds. Go ahead and do that now. I'm going to give everyone 1 minute to do that. And as you get them, I want you to go ahead and count out 14. 14. Go ahead and do that now. I'll pause. All right, good. So we're laying out 14. I want to know, what were some ways that you found 14? How did you do it? Let's pause to hear some strategies. All right, so some friends counted them out. They counted 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 14. Another strategy would have been to count a group of 10 and then 4 more. That also would have worked. 14 could be 14 ones, or it could be a 10 and 4 more. It is important while we are using our math tools that we are not playing with them, because then your focus is not on the lesson and what your teacher is trying to teach you, it's just on playing. So if you could just set those down for a moment, make sure that you're not playing with them so that you can focus on the lesson, that will be very helpful. Take a look at the screen in front of you. What do you notice? That means, what do you see? I'd like to hear from 2 or 3 of you. I'm going to pause so that we can discuss. Great notices. We saw lots of things. We saw black dots and red dots. We saw a plus sign. Hopefully you noticed that this top 10 frames is the same as the bottom. We have 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. Good. Now, I would like you to set out a 10 with your cubes and 3 more cubes. And tell me, how many do you have in all if you set out a 10 and 3 more? Very good. We would have 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. I want you to go ahead and write that on your dry erase board. We're going to write that up and down just like Miss Carlson is doing. We're going to write 10 plus 3, and the 3 goes under the 0. These are how many ones we have. And put your line, and we're going to write 13. When you write this, be careful to line up 0, 3, and 3 is all lined up together. And the 10s, we have 1 10 is lined up right on top of the other one. Go ahead and write that out now. I'll pause. Okay, great. We're going to move on. You can put your cubes down for a moment. We're going to move to a new one. All right. This time it says that we have 10 and 2 more. Could you please set those out? Could you please make a 10 and then 2 more? Count them all up then and be ready to tell us how many that is. Go ahead and do that now. I'll pause. Excellent. The answer is 12. Now you're going to need to write this equation down because our learning target said we will be writing equations that equal numbers in the teens. So we're going to write this equation up and down just like Miss Carlson did. So we're going to write a 10 plus goes out on the side here. Don't put it under the 1. Put it off to the side. Then we're going to make a 2 right under the 0. Put your straight line nice and long like that. And we said the answer is 12. 1 10, 2 1s. Notice how these numbers are lined up very neatly, one on top of the other. And the 1 is lined up right over the 1. Make sure when you write your equation that you write it neatly like I did. Okay, go ahead and erase. Get ready to try another one. Okay, here's our new one. What are we going to do this time? Think about it. Look closely. Okay, I'm looking for a smart scholar who is putting a lot into their work. Even if they get it wrong, they're going to try to give an answer. What are we going to do this time? I'll pause. All right, so this time we're going to make a 10 and 4 extra ones. Count them all up. How many do we have? 14. 14. So a 10 and 4 ones is 14. Now I want you to write the equation just like I've been teaching you to. Go ahead and write it down. I'll write it up here while you're doing it. I'm not going to lead you through it this time. Okay, check your equation. Is it nice and neat? Is the 0 over the 4? And then do you have the answer 14 down below here? Are your digits 0, 4, 4? All nice and neat on top? Good. Then do you have your 1 lined up neatly over the other one? Good. And then your plus sign should be on the outside. If you have it looking neat just like this, give yourself a squeeze. And if you tried your best, but yours doesn't look quite as neat, but you did try your best this time, you give yourself a squeeze too. All right, we have one more thing to try here before we get into work time. So, here we have another equation. Go ahead and use your linking cubes to solve how many this is. I'll pause. Good. So this number is 110 and 7 more, and that makes 17. 110 and 7 more is 17. How did you figure that out? Did you count them all, or did you have a different strategy? Let me pause. All right, great strategies. So today you're going to go into Seesaw and you are going to practice adding a 10 and some more to make numbers in the teens. Let me go ahead quickly and show you what that looks like. I see a lot of scholars still paying attention, committed to your education, and to becoming brighter every day. Way to follow our norms. So here's our activity. Okay, we're going to click the green Add Response button. We're going to look at the 10 frame. If you want to build it with your cubes, that's fine. But what we need to do is we need to add some ones. Okay, so it gives you the 10 in each of them. But you need to add some ones. So here I need to add 3 ones. Because it says 10 plus 3. Okay, 10 plus 3. This is a 10. So I'm going to count on to find my answer. 10, 11, 12, 13. My answer is 13. So you can go to the next one. Now it says 10 plus 6. It gives you a 10 frame filled, but you have to fill in 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does anyone want to tell us what 10 plus 6 would be? I'll pause. Correct. The sum would be 16. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So you're going to go ahead and finish all of those. And then today, instead of doing freckle math, I'm going to have everybody go practice a math game in your class link. So you're going to go to your apps in class link. Going to go down, or wherever yours is, and you're going to find ABC. Okay, and you're going to click on first grade and click on the blue numbers. And then I want you to hit base 10 bingo. It looks like this. Okay, it's pink. It has bingo, B-I-N-G-O, and it's pink. Tap on that. Now here's the tricky part. You're going to play. You're going to hit go. But here's what I want you to do. I want you to just play 10s and 1s. Hit go. And I want you to just do a 3x3 grid today. All right, so remember, these are your 10s. This is going to tell you how many 10s you need. And these are your 1s. So here's how I would count these. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 8, 9. There are 8 10s and 9 1s. Do you see 89 on the screen? Look for it. If you see it, show me a thumbs up. Yeah, I see it too. It's right here, 89. So I would hit 9, and I got it correct. Then it would lay out another 10s and 1s for me to solve. This time I have 3 10s and 1 1. So it'd be 31. 10, 20, 30. 31 is 3, 1. You see a 31? I do too there. So you keep playing until you get 3 in a row. I'm going to show you. So this would be 47. I'll play fast to show you. 23. That's going to be 86. 88. Got a bingo. After you get a bingo, you can play again if you want. Get your 10s and 1s. 3x3. Okay, but at least play one game, okay? That's helping you count your 10s and 1s. All right, everybody, let's get to work.